Try again.
I don't think I have it in me.
What harm could one more possibly do?
What difference could one more possibly make?
You'll have tried, which is better than having not.
What if I fail?
Even psychopaths have emotions if you dig deep enough. But then again, maybe they don't. Do you have emotions, Richard?
Your cousin, you know what's up, yeah. I've seen this 100 times. Don't know if I'ma make it out alive. I'm caught up in my mind, she respond cause I'm unable to relax and close this pride without thinking about the life and everything I done did, all my wrongs and rights. I'm tired, it ain't a lie, 21, but it feels like I'm 51 and I've been through it all. I will make yeah, I know in life I'm sinking like a boat leaking. I'm always stoned, just to beat this reality. But anybody can change it, about what I'm facing. My life crazy, it wouldn't last a day in this soul without thinking about the roof. Damn boy, I'm in Bilumlando, thoughts and songs, don't get past beautiful rooms in Muguba Umsul. Fighting spiritual wars, Milwa Imbi, Yaba Bansi, ancestors. It's gonna take time to finally shine, be a star, what I was destined to be. There's a reason I'm still here. I know God got big plans, and I'm like a plant, blood and rains. Those motherfuckers give me life. Dark clouds all over me, got on my vibe. I'm South Mix, I fuck with that privately. Like how I'm doing with my side chick, yeah. I'm always smiling, hiding my brain from the world. Could never afford to look weak. That young one looking up to me, always showing me love, listen now. I reciprocate the energy 10 times, showing you love no more time. But that's me,
Something
the
that
cousin,
into existence.
yeah.
Something that watches universes like we watch stars. So am I. Are we just an idea in a mind so vast that we can't even comprehend its edges? You feel it now, don't you? The presence is listening to our every word. The one who exists in the silence before the sound, in the darkness before the light. And it's been there all along, hasn't it? Just waiting for me to realize that even infinity has its limits. When you've graduated, taking a step from creation towards creator, you're now ready for your next conversation. But be warned, what you speak to next exists beyond existence itself.